There may be times where you would like to generate a Word document with quiz questions and be able to import them into your Vankel Hall courses. The benefit to creating a Word document with quiz questions is that it is quicker than having to type in the questions one by one, or even faster than copying and pasting from a Word document into the quiz in Vankel Hall. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see that I have open instructions from UMass Amherst, a campus that also uses Moodle. You can find links to these instructions directly from the quiz entry in the EdTech Encyclopedia found in the Faculty Lounge. With the Akins format, you may have noticed here that you only can use this to create multiple choice or true-false questions. There is a specific formatting that you will need to use to format your Word documents when creating your questions. Over on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see that I have a plain, empty Word document open that I'm going to be typing in to do some demonstration questions. First, what you'll do is begin typing the first question you would like to import into a question bank in your course. Once you've typed the question, you'll begin typing the potential answers. You'll just type a capital letter A to start, a period, and then the answer. You want to make sure that your document does not auto-format, so sometimes what will happen is when you type a list like this, it will automatically format things for you, or it will automatically put them into a list like this. If that happens to you, just make sure that up in your toolbar, the numbered list button is not shaded in and your answers to your questions are lined up directly beneath the question itself. Once you're done typing the potential answers to a question, directly beneath you will type the correct answer. You'll type the word answer in all capital letters and then the letter for the correct answer. Then when you're ready to move on to the next question, you'll hit enter twice on your keyboard and begin typing. For the next sample question, I am going to do a true-false. So again, you'll start typing your question, hit enter once, and for the answers to a true-false, you will do the letter in a parentheses instead of just a period. True, and then enter, B, parentheses, false. Directly beneath that, again, you'll type answer in all caps and then the correct answer letter. Then, once you've had all of your questions added to your Word document, you're going to click File and Save As. Locate where on your computer you'd like to save the file to. Give it a name, and then you'll want to choose plain text from the Save As. By default, this file conversion pop-up will have it set to Windows Default. You're going to select the box for other encodings, and then look for and choose Unicode UTF-8 from the list. This list is in alphabetical order, so it will be towards the bottom, and then click OK. Once you've saved your file, you'll go back to your course in Vankel Hall. From the administration block, click on the caret next to Question Bank to open up the menu, and click on Import. With this specific file type, you'll select Akin. Under General, the default category is going to just be the category for your course, so it will say Default For, and then your course name right here. If you would like to create separate question bank categories, such as a category for Chapter 1, a category for Chapter 2, and so on, reach out to the help desk for support or refer to the resources that we have available on the quiz. Next, you're going to scroll down and click Choose a File, and then Choose File again. From here, you'll navigate to the location on your computer where you've saved the file, select it, and click Upload this file. You'll then click Import, and now you'll see that my questions have been imported into the question bank from my file. Select Continue, and now you can see that in addition to the questions I already had, I was able to add these two questions at 3:27 p.m. So these are the two newest questions that I've imported into my question bank. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to the SUNY Delhi Help Desk at helpdesk@delhi.edu or by phone at 607-746-4644. 4835.